Hello everyone. So in this part of the video, I was having my son record me as we did our inspection on the beehive, or actually the swarm that we caught 3 weeks ago. So while I was in here today, I didn't find the queen, but I found a lot of capped brood and a lot of uncapped eggs that were in the honeycomb. Now, as you'll see further along in the video, there was some of that wonky comb, but I'm just going to let it be and just let the bees do what they're going to do and just kind of see what happens. This is my first time having a beehive and beekeeping, so I'm just going to let the bees do what they want to do. I'm supplying them with 50-50 honey, or excuse me, sugar and water, as you can see right there on the front of the hive. And also in my area, there's tons of, pollen and nectar. Everything's blooming right now, so they have everything that they need. So basically, I'm just supplying them probably for about the first month with this 50-50 sugar water, so that way they can establish their colony and get things going. Just basically like a nice jump start. So right here, I'm just kind of looking to see what we got. Looking for eggs, looking for brood, looking to see if there's any queen cells being made. I was looking for the queen. I didn't see her on this go around, like I mentioned before. But with all the cat brood and stuff, I know that she's got to be in there somewhere. She's probably hiding.
Part two.
You can come closer and get some better close-up video.
I already am, Dad. Are we having a part two? Turns out we're not having a part two. Just telling you, we're not having part two anymore. I'm your narrator, Pearson. I'm sorry, I am shaking it. I'm scared of bees. Deadly afraid. But he told me he'd pay me if I did this. So I'm doing it. And now he's just checking it on.
Alright, come over here and get a close-up, please.
I can zoom in, Dad.
Look.
I'm zooming in. Zoomed in, I can see it perfectly. Also, it looks like they are building on the wrong side. They're building on the wood side. They're building on that side. So the bees are entering their area. Keep leaving and re-entering. Here's their water supply. Goes in there. Here he is, putting it down.
I need some pictures. Please come over here. Come here.
I'm zooming in so they can see it really good. Also, you gotta cut out some clips, like while I'm talking. I am saying some tips, so don't delete the tips. I'm saying like what the smoke does, how they act, what we are doing.
Alright, can you take a picture now?
Okay. So end it.
Yeah. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video of my bee swarm that I caught and their progress on their 3-week update. Basically, they've been building a lot of comb and laying eggs in the old comb frames that I got from a member of my local bee group. All that wonky comb you saw has been on the new frames that I did a heavy coat of wax on them before I put them in. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.